What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we are doing some Code War challenges. And yeah, although I am level 5, I'm still doing 8s because I'm doing recursion. That's what I'm practicing right now. And so if I do recursion for some level 5s, so let's just see an example of what they look like because some of them are difficult. Even, I'm skipping the first few of these because some of these are difficult. And they're level 8s. These are supposed to be like the easiest ones. Which you can use you can use for loops or while loops. They'd be solved like that, but recursion for me is something new. You gotta start small. And so let's go ahead and let's see if I was to do them at my own level, 5. How did I get to that level? I was using for loops. I was just using regular my knowledge, but right now I'm specifically working on recursion. So here we have a lot. So we have 843. Let's try to find one that's looping. And so right now we have, let's see, moving zeros. Let's find like 3 of them. Pig Latin, I think I've heard of that one. Human readable time. Alright, let's look at these 3 right here. Okay, so right away write an algorithm that takes an array and moves all the zeros to the end. Moves all the zeros to the end, preserving the order of the other elements. I'm not gonna lie, I can probably do this one. Let's look at some of these over here. Let's train it. Let's see what the name is. Oh, it's move zeros. Okay. Wait, why is it in Python, bro? JavaScript. That's weird. JavaScript. Why did it automatically go to Python? Anyways. Yeah, JavaScript. Let's go to function. Let's just attempt it. And if not, I'll just go back to level 8. Some level 8s are hard too. Alright, so here what I can do is... I can do... Hold on. Before I do that, it's an array. I'm gonna have a counter which starts with array length. Starts at that length. -1 actually. We'll do if else. And then the condition is gonna be once we reach 0. We're just looping through everything just to see if, see what's what. Move zeros. We're gonna keep the array. And we're gonna do counter -1. We're gonna keep lowering every time we go. And then at the very end, we're just gonna return. I wanted to create a new array. I don't know how to do that though. Hold on, I want to see if I'm looping backwards or if I am. I may have an idea. I think I'm looping backwards. Let's check it out first. So it's the CLG array counter. We'll also loop through the last one. Return I don't know, just return 0. I want to see what's going on first. Haven't called it. Move zeros. Now it should work. Oh damn. Alright. So it is, yeah, it's looping backwards. Cool. It's looping backwards. So, wait, hold a minute. Zeros. We'll have that there. We'll have an if statement here. if array counter, if it equals 0, then we're gonna do we're gonna push it. Yeah, zeros dot push array counter. Let's also keep it up with the zeros so we can save what we have. And then else, if it's not a 0, push counter and I need to remove it. So I need to go into array dot slice. I think I need to set it equal. I think I need to do array equals array slice or splice. Let's go with slice first. I need to remove the 0, so I can't just leave it there. The index to the beginning of the specified portion returns a section of a string. No, I think it's splice. That's the one that removes. Removes elements from an array and, if necessary, inserts new elements. Okay, yeah, this one's the returning deleted elements. Okay, never mind. I think it modifies it. I don't know if it modifies it. But let's assume it does. Counter, and then we're gonna delete 1. We'll start at counter, delete 1. Else, we don't need an else. I don't think we do. We'll do the same for, you know, if I'm gonna need it for both, then might as well do it before the if else. I'll do it right here. And then at the very end, just kind of return array concatenated with zeros. Let's see if that works. I thought they were gonna be more difficult. So we have false, 1, 2, 3, yep, and then the zeros at the end. Alright, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more difficult, but I'm sure there's like more difficult ones. I just happen to kind of, because I do have them sorted by most completed. Yeah, most completed. So that's probably one of the more easier ones. But yeah, I'm sure that once you go down the line, they're probably like more difficult. So yeah, that's one of them. Let's see if it works though. Let's go ahead and implement this solution here. All you got to do is just copy it and just kind of paste it on there. Let's see if it works. Test it. Alright, it works for one test. Let's see if it works for the other ones. And it does. 2 more tests. It works. Cool. Alright. Well, it didn't go as expected. I thought it was going to be, like I said, more difficult. But, yeah. Also going to stick to the 8s. Because, why not? There's like hundreds of, there's like 300 of them, 279 that I could just be working on. And it's fun. Challenging, some of them. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.